Here's a BMW 3 Series Special Edition. The lights are really bad. As you can see, really bad. But we are the BMW and Porsche specialists. So wait till you see the finished product here. I mean, these lights are bad. Especially for a BMW. These are not easy to do. Look at this. You think you're gonna get that from a kit? No way. There's no way you can get that from a kit. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. If you're in South Florida, Miami-Dade, Boca, Broward County, just give us a call. We come to your home or office. We're just a phone call away. If you want to text us your pictures of your lights, you could do that too. Thank you for watching the video.